Hello, this is GoodDigestion with another game of Galaxy. Let's go. Ooh, I'm pretty happy to play This Little Piggie. I feel like it's been a bit since I've seen it. Um, this one I am going to change a little bit to adapt to some of the nerfs. I'm going to try cutting Mazeria. Simply because I generally think we're pretty strong, especially starting on turn 3. So I think it's a good candidate to see how we can function without it. I think I'm gonna keep the young Hercules in there. I think it's still pretty good, and it's definitely probably better in this deck just because you have more time to put it into play, kind of buff it somehow, and continue working on the quest. Instead, so I've seen some discussion of what are some reasonable replacements. I've seen people playing just Astral Navigator even without Baron Bach, because it kind of functions similar to Destiny, just also a little bit more consistent pattern. I mean, I think that's fine. It's not that impressive, but I mean, generally when I played that card, it's made me pretty happy though. I could just put a Perseus in here. I don't know. I don't think I like that. I could play the Mega Man, just have another Mordecon summoner. Or even something like Huntsman, which can take advantage of this captain's early game power. But I really don't like Huntsman. I just don't like being relying on fight RNG. Or we could just do Eros. I know Astrid's been playing more Eros. She's also been playing the Astral Navigator. And I kind of want to play something different though. Give something else another chance. I could play Rolo. I play both Rolo and Young Hercules. Just be ultimate greed. I don't know. That sounds fun. I'm sure it's going to be terrible, but let's shake it up a little bit. Okay. Alright, well, I guess we're gonna do this, right? Yeah, not ideal. House or spider? I think we just need the attack, so I'll take the house. Not the greatest combination of cards, but... Alright, at least we didn't take... We'll lose the rest of the heart, though. And I'm gonna cut this for one... Well, actually, maybe... No. I want to complete one of these quests. Let's do the hero one first, I think. Alright, that was pretty lucky. Star Shield or Spinach? Let's take a Spinach. If we could find Hercules, that'd be amazing. Hercules would be amazing. Alright, we got that guy. I think this is fine. Nice. That was good progress. Ooh, do we have a slaw buff? Oh, we do. We have this one back here. Alright, so I'm definitely going to take Stepsisters. Chill Sunshine is so much better than just taking one of these villains. No, well, let's just complete this. Plus, then this is a hero, or an animal, so we can complete our slot buffs as well. Ooh, Star Shield. That was a good turn. Or Alright, the next shop is commons, so I don't really want to take this, but these all are terrible, right? Yeah, like we don't even have a single unit we want to keep anyways for this. Let's take the treasure chest and just take a bunch of commons. Maybe we can find something like breadcrumbs. I mean, these stats are like quite a bit better than the other stuff, so I think this was ultimately the more rewarding path. Well, I mean, both of these cards are fine. I think I'd rather look for like ship shape or, well, ship shape is definitely the best card. So let's look for that to start. Nailed it. And just dragon dice. Alright, all my plays are being rewarded. This is great. This has got to go, right? Yeah. And bounty contract. We didn't find Herc. We're not in a great place to add Herc to the board. I think I still would at this point. But like these don't really matter, so this has the biggest upside, I think. Yeah, I don't think these matter. Achilles is like almost fine. Oh, fortune teller. Okay, that's good. Oh man, that's so good. And Lily is useful next turn. This does nothing right now. I would like 6-shooter if we had breadcrumbs, but oh, nice. All right, let's get these silly animals back off the board. I mean, we're having really good shops, but this game definitely kind of feels weird. Like, we're doing all this stuff, but it just doesn't seem like it's quite enough. No. I really do want to find, like a Jasmine Dragon. Mockingbird is acceptable, though. Card's very good. I didn't even notice this lucky chest. Oops. Yeah, it's early enough for this. It does make me want to reposition, though. Like, who cares about Davy Jones? Okay. Alright, I mean, Stinky's just a fine card. I can't really hunt with it, though, so I don't want to try. I don't want to, like, optimize the positioning. At this point, getting value for the Mercy, I think, is priority. Oh, okay. Well, this is great. Yeah, it's pretty good. Well, we only had one other target to summon. That's funny. I mean, that'll be absolutely crazy next turn. And then, like, with this, with the Mercy, too, it's just so many stats. This is good, but Hand of Midas is too good at this point of the game to pass up. We don't need the immediate help. Man, Goodie Bag is really, really good. Sorry, Gold Merlin. I mean, I think at this point, yeah, I just position for, like, I want to, like, get some of these procs happening. dragon is whatever. I guess mostly I'm just looking for like silvers and golds, or this thing. Alright, Burninator. I don't care about these two. They'll get plenty of stats on them when Destiny pops. Yeah, Blackjack, I guess, huh? Okay, I should have repositioned. This was not optimal. Cynic managed to deny us like all of our our questers from being summoned. Did we complete all of the boons? I guess it was just the one though, huh? I just don't want to like lose that, so I'll just bank it. Oh, nice. Alright, well, this is probably going to be start to get problematic with like the scepters and the Hat of the Coven. Like, I can't imagine we don't start next turn without a world shrub. Or maybe we don't get the world shrub because they don't get through our front line. Didn't really expect that, but I mean, obviously that's fine. We have 3 hearts, so even if we then have to deal with a tricky finals, we'll still be in a pretty good spot, I think. Alright, that's pretty good. I mean, there's no reason to take this, right? I think this is just better. Yeah, I don't want to use this boon of the pauper. I just don't care about it. I'm gonna bank it. Okay. Yeah. Alright, well, a bit of a lackluster endgame, but yeah, we were in an amazing position. Like, I'm really kind of disappointed though that we didn't get like. This is like basically guaranteed for bottled starlight, right? Maybe I should have just stuck it up in the front again and seen if we couldn't like sneak one out. Alright, well anyways, so again, I definitely didn't miss the Mazeria. Obviously we didn't need it. Like, well, we probably couldn't have lost any fights that game anyways. Yeah, I think most of this game, we were still in a good position to take Young Herc. I think this is definitely like the kind of place you're going to want to keep it around. Yeah, I'm not sure what to fill with that. You know, the spot we put Rolo in, I think both Eros and Astral Glider would have been fine. Maybe even probably better. But, you know, we had a good game because, you know, we're a good captain, and using that, like, tempo advantage to leverage, like, your Rolo value, I think is also a pretty decent idea too. Anyways, thank you all for watching. I will catch you next time. Goodbye.